So here we go. This is the second session of the three-dimensional Pique Asiette workshop here in my studio. And there's 8 people doing their own individual designs. They've learned a lot. We talked about structure and engineering, as well as the design part of the mosaic. They've learned how to use hand tools to shape all the plates and cups and saucers and crockery. We've worked a little bit with the wet saw to cut the cups and the vases in two. So let's see. Here's Jane. This is beautiful. Sandy, I'm taking a look at yours. Love the tulips. And the border below is some of her mother's china. Terry, what are you working on? You're almost finished. Now, this isn't fair because you're looking at it upside down. Oh, you can show it to me? Gorgeous. Thanks. And where's Chris's? I love this. Look at those penny rounds as the field. Wonderful. And Susan's doing a Southwest theme because she just got back from Scottsdale. And cactus, sun. And I haven't shown Lori's yet, have I? Lori's is so happy. You've got to see where's the little chicken coming out? I love the chicken coming out of the vase. And Lana, look at this. You got to see these beautiful roses. This is going to be so wonderful when she's finished. So when they're all grouted, which will be Tuesday night, I'll be sure to post pictures of their final creation.